WhatsApp hook number. WhatsApp hook number is your main WhatsApp number on which you will get all responses that you get on all different WhatsApp accounts that you have attached in software for marketing. For example, we have attached 3 WhatsApp accounts here in software, and here is the WhatsApp hook number. So anyone replies on another number, we don't need to check that particular WhatsApp. We get notification on the hook number like this. So no matter how many WhatsApp number you use for marketing, you will be notified on your hook number. But the condition is that device needs to be connected with the hook number from here. If this check mark is on, means this device is now connected with the hook number. So you will get notification from this device. If this is unchecked, then you will not get notification from this device.